Guys, I'll be honest. I don't know if we stumbled upon something that, the secret elite use, or if we have found something that God has put into the sky to actually help us time the financial markets. If you asked me about this a year ago, I would say you are absolutely kooky dook. There is no such way that the moon, the planets, things that are happening in the solar system actually line up by calling perfectly every Bitcoin bear market as well as the moment that every bull market has started. I would have said, no, that's false. We're moving on. I'm going to show you guys, I can't show you the exact data, but I'm going to show you guys where to access this today, and you can go find it on your own right after the video. I want to make this statement though, guys. Trade confident. Guys, I'm a believer. I'm a Christian, okay? We are not getting into astrology. We're not getting into the occult. We are not getting into anything weird like that, okay? What I'm doing is I'm trying to discover if it's possible that the Lord hid signs in the heavens for us to predict financial markets, period. That's it, okay? What we have found is absolutely shocking. Like, it is shocking when you see what I actually, here, let me show this to you. I'll cut to the chase here if you don't want to watch the whole video. Go over to tradeconfident.io. This is what we run. It's our membership website. Go to this post right here. Proof that the Bitcoin bottom is not in. I'm actually going to go through and show you guys in this video the evidence of when I think Bitcoin's bull market is expected to happen based off moon cycles. And here's the kicker. It's never been wrong for 12 plus years. And the date is coming a whole lot sooner than October, November, and December, which a lot of people think we're going to have a bear market to fulfill the 4-year halving cycle theory. If you get this wrong and we actually pivot on this date, which is, again, I'm not going to give it away. It is a whole lot sooner than you think. I'm wondering if that will be the last time to buy Bitcoin and altcoins. Okay, I'm wondering. So here's what I'm going to show you guys today. I'm going to walk you through the breadcrumbs of how to access this. Yes, this is paid. Okay, we spent a lot of time on this. If you are trading with over, let's say, a $5,000 account balance, this is absolutely worth every dollar you're going to spend, in my opinion. Okay, if you're below that, I'm not sure, but nonetheless, you make that decision. Go to the link in the description. It's going to take you to tradeconfident.io. There's 2 things you need to do. Pay for the membership. It's $65 a month. We are going to give you 25% off, which is $49. The first thing to do is watch this future forecast right here. I'm going to show you guys the data and the exact date of when we expect the bull run to start based off moon cycles, which, by the way, has never been wrong. So option number 1, I'm unshamefully promoting this today on YouTube, okay? Pay $49 right after this video and watch this future forecast. You will get the full breakdown of the Bitcoin cycle and where we're at. It's 46 minutes long, packed with charts the entire time, no fluff, okay? If you want to take this to the next level, come over here and click Open Trading Portal. The portal comes with your membership. Once you are on the trading portal, I'm not going to go over what this all covers. Go over here right above my face, which is an AI summary every morning of the market. Click this little tools, and then come over here and click the heavens. Okay? Click the heavens, and then you guys will be taken to this chart here. This chart, I'm going to be transparent with you guys, is $19 a month on top of your membership. Okay? So it's 49 plus 19. You can pay for it for 1 month and cancel if you want. So it's 20 bucks to view all this. Cancel next month. I don't care. What I think you should be caring about is what we've mocked up here. This is the first place online that I believe I've seen anybody pull this data together where we have mocked up every lunar activity, the seasons, the eclipses, the planets, the retrogrades, and even the meteor showers on Bitcoin and projected this into, we did 2035 is what we projected it to. And we actually show you guys what's happened with some of the data in the past. And it's been shocking. Like, I'll give this one away to you guys for free. Bitcoin tops typically, like everybody, that October top, people are like, no, it's not in. Well, it's interesting that the Bitcoin tops have come during supermoons. This is, okay, if you thought this was crazy, this is the least amount of crazy that, that you'll see. I'm not going to show this, okay? I cannot show this. It's like too valuable. You need to click on blood moons. You need to go click on blue moons, and you need to go click on solar eclipses. I'm going to just leave it right there. I'm going to be doing posts today in our Telegram channel that are going to talk to you guys and walk you through this. So today is February 13th. You could watch this in March or whenever, it doesn't matter. grab that membership, watch that future forecast, and start clicking through here. When you click through here, you're actually going to see this mocked up on the chart, and it's going to tell you what is expected during these different times. So let me pick one here to give you guys an example. That's a little bit easier to see. So Mars retrograde is associated with stalled momentum and fluctuations leading to deeper corrections. Okay? Well, that's a deeper correction here, leading to a deeper correction, leading to a deeper correction here. This led to a deeper correction there as well. They're not 100% of the time, but the probability is pretty crazy. So that's just insane. Let me show you guys what else we built in here. We built in here a 14-day summary of what we're expecting to happen on Bitcoin for the next 14 days based off the lunar activity. Again, we are not getting into astrology. I'm a believer. I'm simply just mocking up what's happening in the heavens to see if there's any correlation to Bitcoin's price action. And I think we have found something that will blow you away. Again, remember, go look at those three that I showed you at. Blood moons, blue moons, solar eclipses. You're going to want to see this. The legend tells you everything that we are tracking, obviously a ton here. And then down here, this is pretty cool. So it goes through all the events and tells you what's expected to happen when these different events occur. But then we also took it to another level and actually gave you guys proof of the crazy news events and happenstances on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin during these times. So there's actually events tied to these different solar activities. I have felt for a while that I'm just going to call them the elites. I don't know what that bundles, who that is or not, that they use moons and patterns to regulate. I think it somehow regulates our emotions when there's a full moon or not a full moon. I've had people that have been police officers as friends, and they've told me on full moons they typically see, violent activity increase. So I'm not trying to make any full conclusions about what this is. All I'm trying to do is I built this for you guys, a huge portal here for everyone who's watching this video to have access to, so you guys can do your own studying. I don't want to make any too quick conclusions, but what I can make a conclusion for is if the data is true, based off, again, look at blue moons. Look at supermoons, look at solar eclipses, and look at blood moons. Once you look at that, you're going to see something that is going to shock you. And you're going to be like, oh my goodness, this low may be in a whole lot sooner. And if you go through and you're like, I don't want to toggle all those on to figure that out, just watch this future forecast. I toggle them all on for you guys, and I walk you through and I give you the dates of what's expected to come. So follow this breadcrumb, guys. Right after this video, there's a link in the description. It's going to take you to tradeconfident.io. Use the 25% off coupon. You don't have to enter anything. It's automatic. Immediately watch this video right here. And then go over to the portal, open that up, come over here again, like I said, down to this place next above my face, click on tools and click the heavens, and then it'll open up the chart for you. Pay the $19. You can cancel next month if you want, but watch all the dates that are about to happen for Bitcoin, because there's one coming up very, 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 very soon. Let's say that has predicted the market reversal for Bitcoin the last 8 times, as well as the best opportunity to buy before the bull market starts and the bear market ends. You need to see those two things. And I'm also going to post it in the Telegram channel right now as well if you guys want to access that. And you guys just go over to Telegram on tradeconfident.io, click this, and I'm actually posting all these posts for you guys as well. So if you're a member, you guys can view those. So today, watch this, guys. If you're seeing this over the weekend, watch this as soon as you can. Okay, links in the description. Go to tradeconfident.io, get the membership, open the heavens page, and see for yourself what's coming. Bye, guys.